Good evening, one and all. On behalf of management, principal, vice principal, and our HOD, it's my pleasure to welcome you all for today's expert lecture event. It is a moment of great privilege and honor for me to extend a hearty welcome for today's speaker, Mr. J. Anand, Senior Testing Engineer, Qualcomm, Singapore. He is our alumni student of 2009 batch. I hearty welcome to all my staffs and my dear students for today's expert lecture event. Next, Anand is a graduated from SRM VEC in 2009 from EC department. Initially, he worked as a design and development engineer at SRM Electronics Private Limited for a period of 2 years. And later on, he joined Chip Test Engineer Private Limited as Senior Testing Engineer for a period of the six years. And now he is working in Qualcomm as a Senior Test Engineer from 2018 onwards. Okay. So students, it's an excellent opportunity for learning of the semiconductor testings and fabrications, which is happening in the real-time scenarios. Now, the session is handing over to Mr. J. Anand. Okay, Anand, the session is yours.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for opportunity to do the presentation. So, okay, let me proceed to the session actually.
Okay.
Okay. Today I am going to present on the semiconductor testing. So actually, the agenda will be what is the need of semiconductor testing, and what are the things to do the semiconductor testing, and the role of test engineer. And I prepared some basic test, how we are performing some basic test in the real IC engineering life. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. So first is actually first question will be the right, why do we need test? Yes, sir. Can you able to hear me?
Yes, here presentation visible.
Actually, 1 minute. Already given me the presenting, right? Okay.
Still now not enable that presentation view, sir.
Is it okay?
Not visible. Oh, it's okay. Now it's coming. Okay.
Yeah. Now came, sir.
Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So first is right. Why do we need a test actually, right? So mostly the chip manufacturer, right, they won't prefer a test actually. The reason is right, it's an additional cost. They won't prefer for a testing, but the testing is really important actually. The first thing is right, it provide feedback to the process and allow design to push their technological limit actually. And during fabrication, right, there will be a lot of possibility, right, we will get a defective chip actually. So that need to be screened before reaching the end customer. So the main motive of the testing is right, to give the quality product to the end user. So actually we need to we can detect the failures at two stage actually. One is the wafer level, another is a package level. So if it is detected in the wafer level itself, right, we can reduce much cost to before going to the package level. So if we detect the chip during the package level, right, then it will avoid additional work and additional cost to make into the PCB level and to the end system actually. This is the reason why we are preferring for a test actually. Still, there is a lot of debate going on whether really we need this testing or we need to improve the design and fabrication before to avoid the cost increment everything. but still, right, we could not able to find any solution to stop the testing actually. Still, we are getting lot of defectives, right? So the testing is the play a major role in the quality chip manufacturing. Next. So I informed that in the previous slide, the defect, right? So what will be the defect actually in the real world circuits, right? One, during the manufacturing, there will be a open or short circuit. One, there may be a resistive open, maybe the improper channel length, maybe improper threshold voltage, defective oxide, coupling defect, and there may be a IDDQ leakage. The speed may be not matching. That there may be a functional failure of the device also. So the main test will be the open and short circuits. So next. So when we will do the testing actually, right? So first, after the design, right, the first step will be the silicon manufacture actually. So the silicon will be processed and came for processing. So we will do the wafer sort testing here actually. So here, right, the purpose of the wafer sort testing to eliminate the failure in wafer level itself before going to the package level. This will help to improve the design as well as the process. So if you are detecting the package level, right, we are not sure whether it happened during the package level or during the wafer level. So we do always the testing at the wafer level to inform the design and process team to improve their design and the processing things actually. So once a wafer sort is completed, right, then it will go to the packaging. So we already completed the testing. There will be another question: why do we need the package level testing? So during the package level, right, we do the wire bonding, right? So that time there may be the possibility of a defect actually during the package level manufacturing. So we need to screen those material before going to the end customer actually. So after the package level, right, we do the quality check and the backend process will be completed and the product will go to the OEM, the original equipment manufacturing companies. Next, this is how the post silicon production flow, right? As I mentioned, the wafer will be do wire bonding and things, and there will be a lot of package size actually, based on the customer need and based on the functional need of the package, right? The package size may be different, and the package also will different actually. So the chip probing versus the final test actually. So wafer test, as I mentioned, right, it will total control of quality, total control of manufacturing, fast time to volume production. So it will help to reduce the test time actually, building up the additional parts before going to the package level. So next is, right, test cell responsibility. So what are the responsibility the test cell need to be taken care actually? One is a tester actually. So we need to select the proper tester before doing the any project actually. So we will work with the design team. They provide actual need of the chip functionalities and what will be need to be tested actually. Then the another is the handler actually. The package level parts will be tested with the help of handler. So initial debug, it can be done with the help of manual debug. But if we are going to the volume production, right, then we need a handler actually to pick and play the device and to make it automated, right? We need handlers actually. Prober, right? The wafer level can be tested only at the prober actually. These are the three main things needed actually for the testing. Tester, right? So as I mentioned, tester, right? There will be a lot of tester actually. So we will be having a lot of product, right? Digital product, memory product, analog product, LCD, mixed signal, RF, right? So there will be a different tester actually to test each kind of the devices actually. For digital, right, for example, any mobile chip and these kind of can come under the digital tester. So memory, right, the memory card, these kind of devices can be tested with the help of a memory tester. So unlock tester, right, the unlock devices like LED driver, these kind of the unlock things, right? It will be because each tester have their own unique functionality. So we need to make sure which tester need to be select before going for a any project start actually. This is how the tester will look like actually. So this is the tester structure, and here the DUT board actually. Here only we will place the device for the testing actually. Next, the prober. The prober, right? The prober will be used at wafer level, right? So here only the wafer will be placed actually. So nearby the tester will be there actually. So we need to give the signal via tester to the prober. The prober will test and give the result to the tester actually. Next, handler. So handler used for a package level die actually. So there is a lot of handler actually. The handler also we need to check based on the product actually. So there will be a try temp testing. There will be hot temperature testing, room temperature or cold temperature. So based on the temperature need, right, we need to select the particular handler before selecting any project. This is how the POGO or probe card will look like actually. So here the device under test, we call as a DUT. The chip will be placed here. This will be mounted on a prober and will be tested actually. This will be the on the POGO tower. It will be on the tester head actually. Next is a device interface board. This board, right, usually we will do at the FT test. So here you can see that there is a 4 DUTs. So here, right, we can test 4 DUT at a time actually. So we call it as a multi-site. Usually FT, right, the number of sites testing will be high when compared to the probe, because the probe will be, you can see here, it's a single site. Maximum will go 2 site, 3 site. Based on the chip size, right, it will go to the maximum number of DUT actually. But FT, right, we can design more actually, because FT is more user friendly, and the current consumption and everything, right, can be handled. But that is not in the case of wafer. The wafer need to be handled very carefully. So usually the DUTs will be very less in probe card, but more will be in the FT side, final testing. So next is, right, the job of test engineer, right? So first we will work with the customer. So what are the need of the particular chip, right? So they will provide what the chip they need for the market. First, they will give the input to the design team. So design team will work on the design. Usually for design will take 6 to 8 months. So after design, right, they will give the design to the fabrication. So fabrication usually will take another 2 to 3 months before making as a first silicon. So wafer level, right, we will call it as a bump out. So once the wafer has been bump out, right, we need to do the testing at wafer level, and then the device will be manufactured and sent to the package level. That is called a SOD. We will call as a silicon on that actually. The first chip which go to the FT, right, the final test, that will call as a SOD, the silicon on that. So there will be a lot of process before going to the volume production. The device need to be tested manually. Then the device will be tested bench level to make sure the tester and the benches get correlated. And we will do the necessary qual before going for the volume production. What are the qual, right? We will do the repeatability. For example, the same test and the same device will be run at a 50x loop. to make sure the test is consistent. And we will do the site-to-site correlation. So I mentioned there is a multi-site, right? The 4 sites, right? So that same DUT, right, will be placed on different site and make sure we will get same result across all 4 sites. This will make sure our engineering solution is more robustic. So this will make sure our test solution is very good and good quality control. And next we will do the spike verification. So there will be high chance of creating a spike while creating the test program. For example, if you are giving 3 volt, right, there may be go to the 4 volt or 5 volt. That may damage the device. So we will do the digital oscilloscope to measure what are the signal we are getting the output, what are the signal we are getting the input, and what we are getting the output actually. These are the necessary things we will do. Make sure we give the quality test program for a volume production. After volume production, the device will be sent to the customer. So during if there is any failure, again it will come to us and we will do some research on that. What if there is any test coverage or anything missing, right? We need to add the particular test coverage to screen it again. So this is the job of a tester engineer actually. This is the test program development flow. So after new design release, so we need to take a design spec sheet and we need to do the evaluation. So we need to do the test plan, determine which test plan platform to need to be used, which instrument need to use, what are the parameters we are going to measure, how to program, why test fail. If the test fail, right, we need to check with the design team whether it's a real failure or we are not programming correct in the tester side, or if there is any issue with the load board we designed. These are the things we need to check to make a solution. As I mentioned, the test program development, hardware development, correlation activities, and go to the mass production. So 3 type of engineering will be involved here. One is the VLS design engineer. They will do the design of the chip and then it pass to the test development team. So we do the test development. So usually, right, based on the project chip, the test development may take 6 months, 1 year, or even 2 years actually, based on the project nature and complexity of the chip. And then we will give the solution to the product engineer. They will do the mass production and they will do the things and hand over the product to the end customer. So I will so far I mentioned the testing need and these things, right? And next I will mention some few basic tests actually. What are the basic tests we will usually do? One is a continuity test actually. So how we will do the continuity test? So we will give some current to the chip and measure the voltage. So usually, right, for every IC, right, every pin, there will be a diode connected actually. Usually we need to check the diode connection by forcing some current and measure the voltage actually. By the way, from this way, right, we can check whether there is any open circuit or there is any short circuit. As you all know, right, if there is open circuit, the voltage will be measured maximum. And if there is any short circuit, right, it will measure zero current, zero. So the diode is right, mostly it will be a silicon diode. So it will be a 0.7 volt. So we will give some under micro current and we will set a limit as 0.3 volt to 1 volt. If anything measured in between, right, it will come under a good device. If anything measured below 0.3, right, it will go to the short circuit. And if anything measure above 1 volt, right, it will come under open actually. This is how we will do the basic continuity check. So this one will be done with the help of programming. So the program, right, usually we will do either Visual Studio C++, Java, based on the tester, right? The program coding also will differ actually. The continuity. Is there any question on the continuity test? So next I will go to the another test. So IDDQ gross test. So here, right, so we will measure the device resistance actually. So for example, if there is any chip, right, in the design spec, right, they will mention what is the supply we need to give to the particular supply. Either it may be 3.3 volt, either it may be 5 volt, or it may be 10 volt actually. Based on the design spec, right, we need to give the particular voltage to the chip, right. We will measure the resistance actually. It need to be uh, controlled before going to the device functionality, right. So in the design spec, they will already mention what is the home it is manufactured. So we usually check that voltage and measure the current actually to make sure that it has a correct resistance. During the device manufacture, right, it may be fault, it may be open, even it may be the more resistance, right. So that time it will help to measure the particular resistance we are reaching or not actually. It's a simple test, just force the current voltage and measure current and measure the resistance R equal to voltage by current. So if anything, we will set a limit actually for 330 ohm, right? It won't be a more accurate. There may be some offset. So usually we'll test some plus or minus 10% and set as a limit actually, lower limit and higher limit. If anything come in between, right, it will be a pass device. If anything go beyond that, right, it will be a reject device. So the reject, right, it may be a true failure or it may be a ATE test engineering defect also. So we cannot, we need to do some correlation to make sure it's a design issue or it's an ATE issue or real device issue. So usually if there is any device, right, we will give to the bench team. So, and they will test actually. If they correlate with the AT, right, then we will make sure it's a real fault issue. Next is a leakage test. So another is, right, it's a similar like IDDQ. So that will be calculated from the VCC supply. The leakage, right, it may be in the input pin or maybe the output pin actually. For example, if you are forcing any current, it should be go this path to reach the thing. Suppose if there is any leakage path created, right, the current will be for this side, right. So it won't allow the circuit to reach the voltage to the output. So we need to measure the particular pin leakage to make sure there is no leakage path created. This is how we measure the leak current. Next is, right, AC parameter. Another basic test is, right, we will measure the AC parameters like rise time, fall time, setup time, hold time, propagation, minimum pulse width, maximum frequency, and output enabled time and output disabled time. So we will the output, right, if you're giving any input signal, it need to be reached in the particular time they provided on the design actually. If anything go beyond or less, right, it won't, it will affect the output signal. So we need to make sure our AC parameter working fine actually. So we will do all the AC parameter test actually. So I just mentioned one of the AC parameter test, right? I mentioned rise time. So rise time is a time taken between reaching from 10% to the 90%, right? So we will measure in the output. Once the signal given at the input, right, we will make sure we will set some strobe at the output and make sure when the signal reach at the output actually. So we will collect, we will measure the time between the input strobe and the output strobe, at what time delay the device reach the output actually. So similarly here also we will set some limits to make sure we are measuring the correct rise time. So I didn't put anything deep on the all of the test, all of the timing measurement. Fall time, right, similarly is 90% to 10%. Like the setup time, right, the time taken to reach from output input to output, that's our setup time, right. All of the parameter will be measured, but I didn't put all other here. I put only the rise time for explanation. Likewise, similar parameters will be measured. So next is a basic functional test. Typically, right? So each, for example, right? I mentioned only the basic functional test. For example, here, if the A in is enabled, right, we should get A out equal to 0. B in is enabled, we should get a B out equal to 1. This is a basic test actually. What we will do is, right, we will create some pattern and test at the output actually. We will power up the IC and give the input signal and measure in the output actually whether we are getting the correct output signal. So input level we will mention like a 0, 1, 2, 3, not 0, 1, 2, 3. It's like a 0, 1. It's a binary, and output like, right, it will be a L and H actually, either low or high. So I, right, how will calculate the high, right? Here we are giving 5 volt, right? So here we need to receive that 5 volt here actually. So that one will be set in the output pattern and it will be calculated as a H actually. So here we will give H. So if you get 0, right, it should be come under a load. So similarly, all the functional need to be measured. For example, if you are giving high here, if you are getting I here, right, then the device is fault. It's not working as per the logic actually. So if it is expected output is 0, right, we need to get a 0 here. Similarly, we will check the B output here, right. Here we need to get a particular I signal. If it is 0, right, the device may be fault actually. Likewise, we will measure. So what are the condition it may go wrong, right? For example, if you give a 5 volt, we are trying to load some current. If the chip is not able to handle the particular current, right, the voltage may be getting dropped, and we will need to consider that as a fault device actually. So, any question on this 4 basic test actually explained?
Student, please ask any questions regarding this session. If you have any doubt, unmute your mic. Hello, student. Soumya, Sharmila, if you have any doubt, so you may unmute your mic and ask the doubt regarding the testing.
Otherwise, else post your queries in chat box.
Chat box.
So I would like to show one video how the testing will be done, right? So let me play that video actually.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay. Hopefully the video will be useful. How the testing? It's a small video only, just to understand how these things have been done. So, any question or maybe if anything you didn't understand on the slide, also you can ask me a question.
Dear students, you have any queries, you can ask him.
Sir,
Yes, Solpa.
sir, this is Gokul, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, the chat box is not open the meeting, sir. That's
Anand?
the contact.
So okay, I will reset that setting.
Sir, yes, sir. I have. Sir, can I, if I start with post silicon validation engineer, and then can I move on to a design house and verification engineer in future, sir?
Sorry.
So, just a second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you hear me?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, if I start my career with the post silicon validation, post silicon validation, and can I convert to physical verification engineer or design engineer in future, sir? Is it possible?
Yeah, correct. Actually, most of the people, right? For example, here the company I'm working, right, only the test engineering facility, but the design and everything will on India actually. So people, if you want to switch to India, right, mostly, it is rare opportunity, but in parallel, right, we need to do some additional knowledge on the design side. So if you are okay with the knowledge, right, they can recruit. We can do the internal transfer actually. So mostly all the product companies having their own design, right? So you will be having more visibility on your work, and as well as they have some trustability on you, right? So based on that, there's a chance of moving from a test engineer to design also. Even from design to testing also, some people move. Some people moved from testing to design also. So actually the thing, right? So usually we call as a test development engineer. Actually, we are not a test engineer because we are developing the test solution for the development project, right? So here I mentioned only some 4 to 5 actually. Actually, for the chip, right, we will be having 10,000 tests actually. So each project nearly 20 to 25 engineers will be working. So it will take 6 to 8 months actually to complete the project. So due to the limited time, right, I put only some few testing actually, some basic testing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Okay.
for
So semiconductor, right, we have a lot of opportunity, design and product engineering, as well as fabrication. So there is a lot of division actually. Even during when I was studying, I don't know about that actually. Even after joining the chip test only, right, I came to know only few things. But after I came to Singapore, right, I know what are the things actually in the deep.
Okay. Any other questions? Are you satisfied, Gokul?
Okay, thank you for the response, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Anand sir, thanks for your
Yes,
nice
ma'am.
presentation. I just want to know that apart, because in syllabus they have Verilog. So suppose a student want to go for testing, VLSI testing thing, what are the specific modules they have to learn to become a test engineer, sir?
Okay, actually, there is no separate course for a test engineer, madam. Actually,
Yes.
we need to be concentrate some basic actually. For example, right, a linear integrated circuit, right, LIC, digital electronics, right. These things we need to be very
I
familiar.
mean that what are all the tools, software tools? Is there any tool they have to use, or Verilog itself is enough for both front end design as well as for back end?
No, madam. Actually, we won't use Verilog here. Actually, we will use basic C++ and
yes.
Java actually. And also,
Okay.
no need to be 100% programmer actually. Even if they
Yeah.
know small command, right, that is enough actually. Our main motive should be on the electronic side, right? Hardware design and
Okay.
the basic current, this kind of thing actually. So program will be graphical user interface. We can reuse the program, and there is need to be very little program knowledge is enough.
Okay, sir. So if they are good in their C++ concepts or in the Java, that itself can plus our electronics concept, that is okay. You are telling. Yes?
Yeah, matrix electronic concept. 90% we need a electronic concept.
90% is that one, and 10% we need to code it. That's all. Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
madam.
sir. Thanks
Okay.
for your nice presentation, sir. It was very informative. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Students, any student you can ask freely, no problem. Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to be any technical. You can ask anything. If you didn't understand anything from the slide also, right, you can ask. I can go back and explain. Actually, I prepared very little because to have an interact section. That will be very useful instead of I am presenting, right? So I just explained a few things, and it will be good if you have the interact section.
Yes, Anand sir, is it based on PGT transistor integrated chip or MOSFET based integrated chip or designing?
Sir, actually, mostly it's MOSFET, sir. BJT and all, it's already moved, sir. It's no more actually. So
Okay.
based on the chip size, right, we already moved everything under MOSFET actually. That's what, right? Here I mentioned IDD current, right?
Yes,
For
yes,
example, if it is a BJT, we will call it as a ICC current. If it is a MOSFET, right, we call it as a IDD current actually. So here I mentioned
Okay, sir. Thank you.
IDD cost, yeah.
Oh, yes, there. Yes, VDD. Yeah. MOSFET. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So Anand, what are all the companies are available in Chennai or Tamil Nadu to get into these core companies?
Actually, in India, we have only the testing license, right? We have only the service-based company actually. Chip Test and one more company in Coimbatore, and in Bangalore we have multiple companies, Anora, Tesol, and a lot of company actually, new companies are coming in. But Chennai, it's in Kodambakam actually, near the Meenakshi College. Chip Test is located. Actually, it was before that it was in Marimal Nagar when I was working, right? It was in Marimal Nagar. Now they moved to the Kodambakam actually, because in Marimal Nagar most people not interested to join actually, so that's why they moved mainly from Marimal Nagar to Chennai actually. It will be very tough to get directly into the product-based company. Most of the engineers joining in the product-based, right? Either the master degree or we need to get some experience from the service-based company. So it will be difficult to get directly into the product-based company.
Okay. Only thing you have to get service from the service-based company.
Yeah, we need to get enough knowledge, and usually service-based company we will work with the product company, right? That time we will get more contacts. They came to know actually about us, right? So it will be helpful for them to recruit them. So even in interview, they cannot able to identify whether we are doing a good or not. Mostly it will be a reference kind of thing actually. But we need to be good. But in the service-based company, right, they are expecting only the basic electronic. There will be a lot of opportunities actually. In the semiconductor field testing, right, there is a lot of open. There is no not available more skilled worker. I mean, it nearly take 3 to 5 years to make a good test engineer actually. Then only we can able to do our own project. Up to 3 to 5 years, right, we need to be assisted with someone, and we need to get guidance from someone. So nearly it will take 5 years to make a complete test engineer.
So it will take more time to reach to.
Yeah, correct. Yeah,
okay.
Correct, sir.
So once
yeah,
you reach
yeah, it will be a good growth, right? Once reach, right, it will be good growth.
Yeah, I have seen from you now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. In case we are planned to take for one day industrial visit for especially for integrated chip laboratory, na. So what are the places you are going to suggest in covered in Tamil Nadu?
Actually, spill, right? It's in Maraimal Nagar. So it
Okay.
actually started in 1990, actually, 1990. But
Okay.
they didn't do any improvement. Now the company is running with only the few product. We can approach them actually. Actually, the first time I visited in Spill Semiconductor only. Even Chip Test is the same branch only from the part of Spill. Even in India, whole India, that's the first company actually started.
Oh,
After
okay.
that, many of the companies trying to build, but they are unable to achieve that they right. But Spill is didn't improve actually. Still the old technology. That's why it didn't get more popular actually. So it's in
Okay.
Maraimal Nagar.
Okay, surely we will use that opportunity for one day industrial visit, sir. Thank you.
It will be very useful. Actually, they are manufacturing the chips and they are doing the testing actually. If you go the right, it will be good exposure for the student also, sir.
Okay, thank you for your.
Exactly, Anand. It's correct. Actually, the particular Spill Semiconductor visited our lab also for
Okay.
utilizing and learning the vector network analyzer. So surely we'll explore the possibility because the head, Mr. Chandrasekhar, for quality assurance, we have the contact. So we'll do it.
Okay, thanks, sir. Okay, sure. Yeah.
Thank you, Anand.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Anand, this is Marirajan.
Okay, yes, sir.
This is Marirajan. Actually, we have approached IV as Pandian sir asked whether they are allowing any industrial visit like that question. We have already approached Spill Semiconductor. Dr. Ramesh sir gave that address. So they didn't permit. Whether you can give reference to visit that?
Sure, sir. I will check actually. Maybe I will check with Chip Test and check whether we can get anything. Actually, the thing is, right, we cannot go entire student there because it's a clean room, right? We need to wear a smock and a shoe, ESD shoe before entering the lab. So it will be difficult to accommodate all the students. Maybe they will allocate 5 to 10 students only actually. Because it's more sensitive, so they won't allow all the people at a time. That's the problem. The one thing they can try actually, they can allow 5 people first, and then after 1 hour they can allow 5 people like that. So let me check, sir. Actually, I will check with Chip Test. Have the contact. I will check with them and get back to you.
Okay. Actually, Dr. Ramesh sir gave that address when we are talking about industrial visit. Dr. Ramesh sir gave that address and company name. Approached before 2 years ago. But as Ramesh sir said, Mr. Chandrasekhar have attended, and he informed me we will discuss and then let you know like that. Only we have got reply like this.
Okay, sure. Actually, the thing is, right, only they have a thing actually. Apart from that, right, we need to go Noida only. There is no manufacturing or the Noida also now only the Intel built actually. So apart from that, there is no manufacturing company in India. That's a very drawback.
As you said, wearing some
Smock,
yeah. Like that only NARL in Kadangi, they have allowed our students last semester. Last semester means last year.
Okay.
If possible, kindly help us.
Sure, sir. Yeah, I will talk with them. Yeah.
Okay, students, kindly interact. Okay, this session is for US only.
Sir, good evening, sir. This is Sendil Murugan. Anand.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine. It's nice presentation.
Thanks, sir.
I want to share one thing, right? Okay, it's about your growth. Okay, many staff members are in the team, and simultaneously students are listening your words, right? Okay. Okay, so with you, I am going to share something, right? Actually, students, நீங்க நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க இப்போ இதுக்கு ஆனந்த் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு பர்சன் வந்து குவால்காம்ல அவர் சீனியர் டெஸ்ட் இன்ஜினியரா இருக்கிறாரு அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப ஈஸி டாஸ்க் தான் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. டெஃபினெட்லி நாட். ஓகே, பிகாஸ் ஹி ஸ்டார்டட் கரியர் வித் கிரீன் போல் எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸ். ஓகே, நம்முடைய SRM குரூப் ஆஃப் கம்பெனிஸ்ல வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாரு. அதுல வந்துட்டு எல்இடி லைட், எல்இடி பல்ப்ஸ், அதனுடைய ப்ராடக்ட் டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேஷனுக்கு வந்து நந்தம்பாக்கம் ட்ரேட் சென்டர்ல வந்து நானும் ரமேஷ் சாரும் போகும்போது அங்க வந்துட்டு ஒரு டிஸ்பிளேக்கு ஒரு டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேட்டரா வந்துட்டு இருந்தாரு. இன்ஜினியர் கம் டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேஷன். ஓகே, அங்க என்னென்ன ஃபிளாஸ்லாம் இருக்குது, ஸோ காம்படிட்டிவ் கம்பெனிஸ் என்னென்னலாம் வருது, அதுல நிறைய இன்புட்ஸை கேதர் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து டெஸ்ட் இன்ஜினியரிங் அப்படிங்கிற ஸ்பெல் செமிகண்டக்டர் சொல்லலையா, அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய கம்பெனிஸ்ல வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாரு. தென் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா அப்படி கிராஜுவலா தான் வந்துட்டு இப்பொழுதுக்கு குவால்காம் போயிருக்கிறாரு. ஓகே, ஸோ தட் இனிஷியல் பே அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு ஒரு ரீசனபிள் அப்படி கூட இருந்திருக்காது. ஸோ லெஸ் தென் எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். பட் ஹீ இஸ் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் டெஸ்டிங் அப்படிங்கிறது எப்படி அப்படின்னாக்க இப்பொழுதுக்கு நிறைய வந்து நாலேஜ் வந்து கெயின் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. ஸோ அப்போ வந்து லீனியரா தான் growth வந்து கிடைச்சிருக்குது கோர் கம்பெனிஸ் போகும்போது. இப்போ வந்து இஸ் இன் குட் பொசிஷன். பட் ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் வெரி டஃப் டூ. ஸோ அதனால வந்துட்டு கோர் கம்பெனி போறவங்கலாம் ரொம்ப ஈஸியா கிடைச்சிடும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. ரொம்ப ரிலாக்ஸ்டா வந்துட்டு இருக்காதீங்க. ஸோ யூ ஷுட் நோ யுவர் பேசிக் ஐடியாஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ முன்னாடி சொன்ன மாதிரி எல்ஐசி டிஜிட்டல், ஸோ ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா விஎல்எஸ்ல போறீங்க அப்படின்னா யூ ஷுட் நோ டிஜிட்டல், எல்ஐசி அண்ட் விஎல்எஸ்ஐ. இன் அடிஷன் மைக்ரோ ப்ராசஸ். இந்த 4 சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் வந்து நல்லா ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கும். இன் அடிஷன் EDC2. ஓகே, ஸோ இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. அதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுட்டு பண்ணாதான் உங்களால வந்துட்டு பெருசா கோர் கம்பெனிக்கு போக முடியும். பட் இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு ஃப்ளோவில் வந்தவர் தான் வந்துட்டு ஆனந்த் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு உங்க சீனியர். ஓகே, இப்போ ஒரு அலுமினஸ் உங்களுக்கு வந்து சீனியர் டெஸ்ட் இன்ஜினியர் அப்படிங்கிறது மட்டும்தான் தெரியும். அதை தாண்டி அவருடைய ஃப்ளோ அப்படிங்கிறது வந்துட்டு இஸ் நாட் ஈஸி டாஸ்க். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் some of you please put your effort in the right way to get like the position. Okay, thank you Anand. Okay, ஸோ அதுக்கு உங்களுடைய growth நாங்க நிறைய பார்த்துருக்குறோம். அது ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா நானும் ரமேஷ் சாரும் வந்துட்டு நிறைய நீங்க எப்படி எல்லாம் வந்துட்டு எங்களை அச்சீவ் பண்ணீங்க, எங்களை அப்ரோச் பண்ணீங்க அப்படிங்கலாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸோ அதை வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஷேர் பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு. ஏன்னா கோர்ல போறது ஈஸி அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. டெஃபினெட்லி இஸ் நாட் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக தான் பேசுறேன் நான். ஓகே,
Sure, sir. Romba
Thank you.
thanks, sir.
yeah, thank you.
That's true actually. Yeah, initially 2 years SRM Electronics தான் வந்து basic. Even after working in first year in SRM, right, I got an opportunity in chip test. They asked to attend me the interview actually, but I neglected that because I know I need to learn more in the SRM itself. I didn't learn anything actually. Thing is right, whatever we given, right, we need to make sure we complete that one. Then only, right, we can go to the even as I said, I went for a Ritchie Street to buy the components, and I did board level work before going any design, right. We will do ourselves, and then so even component selection I did go to the Ritchie and got actually. ஸோ எல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம ஆரம்பத்துலேருந்தே பண்ணதுனால தான் வந்து இப்போ வந்து கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி நான் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்து லீடாக இருக்கேன் ஆக்சுவலாக. இப்போ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க நம்பி. ஸோ இட் வில் டேக் another 1.5 year ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ இப்போ தான் ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கோம். ஈவன் லாஸ்ட் குவார்ட்டரே வந்து
கங்க்ராட்ஸ் ஆனந்த்.
உதயகுமார் சார் வந்து கேட்டார் லாஸ்ட் செமஸ்டர். பட் ஆனால் அந்த டைம் தான் ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஸ்டார்டிங் ஸ்டேஜ். ஸோ என்னால் அப்போதைக்கு என்னால் பண்ண முடியாது. இல்லை சார், அது ரொம்ப ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஸ்டார்டிங் ஸ்டேஜ்னால வந்து நான் வந்து 5 மணி நேரம் தூங்கணும் ஆக்சுவலாக. நாங்களே டீம் மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே 4 மணி நேரம் 5 மணி நேரம் அப்படியே தான் தூங்கணும். ஸோ இனிஷியலாக அந்த சிப்பை அப் பண்ணுற வரைக்கும். ஸோ அதனால அந்த டைமில் வந்து இல்லை சார் முடியாது. இப்போ வந்து இன்னைக்கு மண்டேனால எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலாக ஃப்ரீ. இன்னைக்கு யூஎஸ் டீம் வந்து இன்னைக்கு லீவ், அதனால நாளைக்கு தான் அவங்க வருவாங்க. ஸோ அதனால எனக்கு ஃப்ரீ. அதனால இன்னைக்கு டைம் வந்து ரொம்ப கன்வீனியன்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு ஆக்சுவலாக எடுக்கிறதுக்கு. அதனால இந்த 1.5 year ஆக்சுவலாக பெரிய ப்ராஜெக்ட். ஒரு 20-25 people ஆக்சுவலாக ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல.
வெரி குட்.
ஓகே, ப்ராஜெக்ட் பற்றி எதுவுமே ஷேர் பண்ணக்கூடாது, ஏன்னா இட்ஸ் வெரி ஹை கான்ஃபிடென்ஷியல். ஸோ அதனால அதை பற்றி எதுவும் சொல்லலை. ஈவன் உதயகுமார் சார் வந்து ஏதாவது லேட்டஸ்ட் டெக்னாலஜி பற்றி சொல்லணுமான்னாரு. பட் ஆனால் எங்களுக்கு வந்து பயங்கர கான்ஃபிடென்ஷியல் ஆக்சுவலாக. நாங்கள் எதுவுமே உள்ளிருந்து எதுவுமே ஷேர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. எங்களுக்கு அதுக்கே 2 month 1 ட்ரைனிங் இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஏன்னா எல்லாமே நியூ டெக்னாலஜி அண்ட் வெரி காம்படிட்டிவ்ன்றதுனால எங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் அதெல்லாம் ஃபுல்லாக ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்டட். ஸோ அது வந்து என்னால் ஷேர் பண்ண முடியாத நிலையில் இருக்கும் ஆக்சுவலாக. ஹைலி கான்ஃபிடென்ஷியல்ன்றதுனால.
ஓகே.
Thank you for your presentation. Yes.
Okay. Actually, I will share the presentation to Udaykumar sir. So, என்னோட மெயில் ஐடி நான் மென்ஷன் பண்ற கான்டாக்ட் நம்பர். ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட்னா நீங்க கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாம் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ். ஓகே.
So very good Anand. Thank you Anand. Nice presentation. Okay. Pandya.
Hey sir.
Okay. It's time to.
Okay, I'm complete with the vote of thanks, sir. Okay. Good evening to today's session speaker, Mr. J. Anand, respected principal sir, HOD ma'am, program coordinator, staff members, and my dear student. First of all, I would like to thank to principal sir, HOD ma'am, So you all gave me an opportunity to speak in this auspicious occasion, and it's a matter of honor for me. On behalf of the entire institute, I would like to thanks the today chief guest, Mr. Anand, because expert lecture program can be completed without sharing the knowledge and inspiration speech with word. I thank you for the bottom of my heart. Also, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the guest present today. I would like to thank to participated student from various year of in IEC department and other department and staff members for the successful conduction of this expert lecture on semiconductor testing program. Thank you all.
Okay, Anand,
So
post your feedback, pa. Feedback come.
Okay, now I'm going to post the feedback link in our chat box.
Kindly fill the feedback, and then only you'll get the certificates.
Yes.
Sir, in chat box, sir.
Okay, posted now. Chat box visible, Lepa.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Click பாண்டியன் கிளிக் பண்ண முடியல, கிளிக் பண்ண முடியல பாத்தீங்களா ஃபீட்பேக்?
செக் பண்றேன் சார்.
So dear all, and kindly fill the feedback, okay, to get a certificates.
சார் கொஞ்சம் லிங்க் டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணுங்க சார், உங்களுக்கு chat box தெரியல சார்.
Chat box visible இல்லையா?
செட்டிங்ஸ் chat box enable ஆகல பாண்டியன் சார். chat box enable ஆகல.
செட்டிங்ல
chat box வரல, chat box வரல சார்.
ஆமாங்க சார், வரல.
ஓகே மேம், செக் பண்றோம். people everyone and you made chat box எதுவும் டிசேபிள் பண்ணலையா மேம்? எனேபிள்ல தான் இருக்கு, சைடுல எதுவும் இல்ல
சார். மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கு மட்டும் தான் வந்து
யாருக்கு வரல சார்?
விசிபிளா இருக்கும் சார்.
மேம்
சார் மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கு மட்டும் தான் chat box வந்து விசிபிளா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் சார். நீங்க அதனால டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணிடுங்க.
ஓகே மேம். லிங்கா மேம்?
எஸ் சார்.
Okay ma'am, display பண்ணிடுறேன். Okay, actually I kept the link a very lengthy one, so I'm going to make a short form. So okay student, note down the link. So this is a short URL .at/bs capital N capital D and capital X. So that is the link. So all of you submit your without fail, giving the today expert lecture on semiconductor testing program. Hey student, is it visible? So, okay, student, I will share this link to your class group, Facebook group also. So don't worry, get it from your group itself. Thank you. Okay, sir, on Facebook.
Okay. Okay, thank you all. Close பண்ணிக்கலாம்ல?
Yes, sir. Recording mode stop பண்ணிடுறேன்.
Okay.